Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to put the motor together for Thunderbird. I finally got parts in. So as you can see, I got the rings on. Got the bearing clamps all cleaned up. One thing you need to make sure is everything, all your mating surfaces are clean, and these are not. So I've got to clean these up. Let's do that. Rear main seal. Now I'm going to clean these caps up. I haven't done nothing with them. This motor has never been rebuilt. It still has the rope main seal in it. Fords, they have a couple different rear seals. So you have the one where the crank rides, that main seal there. Then you have these guys on the side. These seals. They mate right up against here. And right there's where your rear main seal for the crank. I don't know if I have that in right. I think so. So, yeah, you want to make sure you get all of this area clean. This one had gasket maker on the side of it. So I'll probably do that again. Broken rings, cleaning those grooves. Got to get those grooves clean, or else when you go to put the motor back together, you'll break your rings. They won't seat in all the way and they'll break. That's the finished product. That's what we're doing. Take this apart, you want to keep your caps with your pistons so they go back to the correct one. They got numbers on them. Got the old jet heater going. It's chilly here in western Kentucky. So here's the main bearings. They are shot. That's the way that came out. Caps don't look too bad. The block one, the cap ones, the block ones. So getting ready to put in the crank. That assembly lube, you want to just make a mess out of that stuff. You just want to put it over everything. Make sure you get the thrust bearings on the side of number 3. You just want to get it everywhere. And it's easy to make a mess out of that stuff.